Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to add text behind any object in CapCut PC. So I have created this in the CapCut PC. So I will show you how to do this. So just import any videos you want by clicking on import, or you can just drag and drop any video you like. So drag your media to your working area. Now add any text to your video. So you will need to drag the text into your working area just like the video. Adjust the duration of the text. Now add your text here and select a font and select a font size. So you will need to copy this clip. So as you can see, if I put the second clip over this chat, then I won't be able to see the text. So in order to make it visible, you'll need to compound it. Just right click on the text and click on create compound clip, and you will create this here. So the next step is to auto remove the background. So click on the second clip and go to video. You'll need to click on remove BG and check on this auto removal. So it will automatically start applying the auto cutout. Wait until it's 100% and see the magic. So once it has completed the application, just drag above the text and you will see some changes in your video. So if you play it, you will see that you have your text behind an object, behind a person in your video. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.